Hi guys, Ralph here, NoizeBusters. That's a quick fun one I show you now. I just made a texture out of a filter, which is quite funny to play around with. The only thing where you have to be careful is when you change settings that you keep an eye on the volume, because this can get squelchy and harsh quite fast. But I show you how it sounds if I press play. So I have a filter here where it's on the edge where it self-resonates here at this little error. And it's modulated by a step modulator. Then it goes over that point sometimes. And when it does, it creates a sine wave, which then I send through flangers and frequency shifters and into a reverb. And in between, I have these tool devices, so you can kind of tame down the volume sometimes if you need to. And what's fun to play around is just the filter type. It works well with the XP. The ripple is quite funny. The comp is working, the low pass. So let's try to change some settings so you can see and hear what happens. Also, you see, can get harsh. So keep an eye on the point where it self-resonates, otherwise you get a steady tone. For example, if I take the mix level from the reverb full up, you have more like a texture. Let's take a ripple, play around with the feedback. So have fun to try out. Just discovered this now, or it just came out trying some devices out in between, and you know, that's a happy accident sometimes, which can change your workflow and you find new sounds. So have fun to play around with this.